Welcome to my channel. My name is Steven, and in this channel I would like to share with you how I use technology in my daily life. For this video, I would like to talk about how difficult or easy it is to start a DIY smart home project. When you talk about smart home, you will naturally think of a situation where you have one of this, easily issuing voice command to have things done. But to start, you don't actually have to include this hardware. But it would be nice to know which system you might want to use if you decide to invest more into your smart home future. You most likely already have all the equipment you need right now. All you need to start is a smartphone or a tablet and a home Wi-Fi. That's it. Oh, one more thing, you also need a free app. For me, these are the two apps I use. You can download either one and sign up for an account if you have not already done so. They are the same, but note, once you decided on an app, you need to get smart devices that work with this particular app. Next is to identify where to start. If you look at wall switches around your house, you will quickly realize that most of those switches control lights. So that would be a good place to start. In my house, most of my light uses bulbs like this. So for me, it's a simple task of replacing the existing bulb with one of these Wi-Fi smart light bulbs. Your home may use a different light. Just Google Wi-Fi smart light and you should easily find a smart light that will fit your requirement. What can you do with only smart bulbs, you may ask? Well, quite a lot actually. First and foremost, you get flexibility without rewiring your switches. Let me elaborate. Do you have lights that looks like this? Two lights, but are controlled by a single switch. This means you either switch them all on or all off. Assuming that this setup here is the light we saw just now. With the switch turned on, all the bulbs are lit. You have no other options. By replacing the bulb with Wi-Fi smart bulbs, I get to control them individually. Switch one on, then the other. Dim one of it or even change color. If you want to know how to pair a smart bulb to your app, I have made a step-by-step video showing you exactly how it is done. Just click on the link here to view that video. With automation, I can switch one of them on, let's say at dusk, and wait half an hour, switch the other one on when it is darker outside. To do this, go to your app homepage and tap on the scene at the bottom of the screen. Make sure you are in the automation tab and select the plus icon at the top right. Then select schedule. Decide on repeat frequency. If you want to run it every day, then select Sunday to Saturday. Tap on the back arrow. Notice the title repeat says every day. Next, select the time you want to start your sequence. Then next, in the then section, tap on the plus icon. Select run the device. Select the device. For me, I'll be selecting testbud 1. Then on and off, and select on, and save. Then select the mode. I am selecting white and save. If you select color, scene or music, it will take the last used setting. Please note that the following setting only works if you select the white mode. If you select color, scene or music, you can leave these other setting blanks. Selecting the brightness. Somehow this setting does not follow the standard percentage, but the range is from 10 to 1000. Where 1000 is 100% brightness and 100 is 10% brightness. So if I want 20%, I have to set it to 200 and save. Next, color temperature. Again, the range is from 0 to 1000, where 0 is for maximum warm white and 1000 is for maximum cold white. Since we want our light to be switched on at dusk, let's have a warmer color temperature. Maybe say 200. And save. Next is the timer, which I shall leave blank. Testbud 1 is now all set. Tap on next. Now I want to turn on the second bulb after 30 minutes as it will be darker outside. We just need to add another task by tapping on the plus icon. Select delay the action. Select the desired time delay. For this demo, I will set it for 5 seconds and tap next. Then select the plus icon again. Choose Run the device and select test bulb 2. Enter in all the settings as we have done for test bulb 1. Remember to save at the end of setting the second bulb. You will be asked, automation created, start using it? Tap yes. And that's it. Your bulb will start at the specified time automatically. We can also do the opposite, assuming the same set of lights, but now it is controlled by two separate switches. Well, we can group the lights together and make them act as one. In the app, pick the first bulb. Tap on the pen icon at the top right. Select Create Groups. Then, select the next light or lights that you want in the group. Tap Save. Enter a name for the group. For this demo, I will call mine Demo Group Light. Tap Save. After that, you will be redirected to the setting page. Changes made here will be applied to all the bulbs in the group. A new tile for the group is also created in the home page. Once the group is formed, you can change settings as though they are one bulb, which means you can dim the light and change color or even set automation and tap to run Smart Scene as you normally do with a single light bulb. If you have not done so, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my new videos. Bye now.